Dr. Stunderjet.
Hello, boys and girls in HO Slot Car Land. This is Dr. Stunderjet with another exciting episode of Dr. Stunderjet. Das ist mich. Here we got what looks like the same layout as the one we made earlier, yeah? It looks like a 4-lane track, but what I did was I changed the bridge. We put the guardrail instead of the housing, yeah? And then we put some stanchion at the bottom, and we changed this track from the inside and put the big one on the middle in the bottom, and now it's a 2-lane, but it looks like a 4-lane track also, yeah? What do you think, Assist? So, it goes around and around. It's not 4-lane anymore. I mean, it looks like 4-lane, yeah?
Yeah.
And so the good thing is you can just push the wire back if you want it, make it 4-lane, or you can keep him like this, and he goes around and around, yeah?
Yeah.
If there's any question or any comment, please put comments in the comment section. This is wired now for 2 controllers and 2 cars, yeah? 1 transformer. That's all you need. You have the bridge. There's no trick track other than the bridge, yeah? Then we got the 6-inch, the 9-inch, and then a lot of this here is 12-inch. For some reason, they never make 12-inch track, 1-foot track back in the day. I don't know why they do it. So you can use 2 6-inch, or you can use a 5 and a 7, a 5 and 7, yeah? This is a 9 terminal, and then the regular 9-inch turn, 6-inch turn. This bridge track is 9-inch also. Then you got 9-inch here. Same thing, 6-inch, 9-inch. This is a 5 and this is a 7. 5 and 7, and this is 6 and 6, yeah? So, happy motoring. Be safe. God bless you. We'll see you the next time on Dr. Stunderjet. Thank you for joining us. It's always a pleasure to race the cars and show you how to do it good, yeah? Have a great day, everyone. Be safe.
Dr. Stunderjet.